Let's find out. What different feelings and emotions are called? Part 3. Proud. P-R-O-U-D. Proud. Curious. C-U-R-I-O-U-S. Curious. Tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Sleepy. S-L-E-E-P-Y. Sleepy. Hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. Thirsty. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Thirsty. And the last one on our list for the day is bored. B-O-R-E-D. Bored. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different feelings and emotions. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.